Go on, run, Lottie, run!
She's going to run the whole way with us.
Yeah.
It's going to be one pooped up dog.
She knows where we're going.
One fit dog.
Woohoo!
Crossing the street.
Come on, Lottie! Oh, look at the butterflies. Did you see how cute them? Go away, Lottie!
Oh, she'll stop when she started.
Run over.
Oh, I remember when I ran over my dog.
Oh,
Very
Mum.
bad.
You ran over your dog.
You ran over your dog? How did you do that? On the tractor.
Oh!
No, it was a stupid dog that got in front of the wheel. It was beautiful though, we all cried.
Oh.
Wanna say something?
Dog!
That child wants coming to cave. Just duck and see if they
Is it on video?
Yes, it's on video. Got it all.
I told you. No, I got jammed in the wire. I told you not to put your fingers in the
Yeah,
wire.
don't put it in the wire.
So pull your finger on. See, he knew which way to go and she forgot. A wide triangle baby.
Why is it on my side?
You put your legs out wide, you don't fall over.
Oh, it's a bit hard when you're standing next to me.
I'm hanging on. I don't have anywhere to hang on. Everyone's got this space.
Because we were smart, we got on first.
Dragonflies up.
Oh, Lottie, you should know where to go. She does.
Animals.